You guys, I've been testing the new jack I got today, the TRIPLELIFT 4000. It's for motorcycles, ATVs, and vehicles. So it's up to 4,000 pounds. It's not that bad. You know, shaking it, the back's still steady. It's not moving, which is a good thing. So you don't have to tie it down unless if you wanna lift it higher than this, which is, I don't think so. I'm gonna be doing that. If I wanna change the oil or just like clean the rims, you know, do some service or maintenance, not a major thing. You can see it's not bad. It's good enough, you know. And it's about like, let's say half an inch out from here. The problem is, actually kind of problem, but not problem, you know, when you take it down or lower it, you have to be extra cautious, extra careful. You have to like really try to be gentle with it, which is, now it's on the floor. So slightly take more, and here we go. So it's not that bad. But the other motorcycle lift, it's easier, you know, and convenient. But this one I got it because I also use it for my vehicle, so also change brakes, replace the brakes for my vehicle, so I'll be able to use it for the motorcycle and for my car. Thank you for watching.